Twist the cover counterclockwise and remove it. Note the arrow on the inside of the base. Locate the batteries. Slide off the cover of the battery slot. Gently remove the batteries. Note the battery terminals, positive and negative. Place new batteries in the device. Replace the cover on the battery slot. Note the 3 notches on the circumference of the device and the small node at the top. Line the node up with the arrow on the inside of the base. Press the cover onto the base and twist clockwise until you hear a click.